Martyrs' Day 23rd March. Martyrs' Day is celebrated in India on 23rd March. The purpose of celebrating Martyrs' Day is to pay tribute to the heroes who sacrificed their lives for Mother India. On 23rd March 1931, India's most revolutionary patriotic Sardar Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were hanged. Martyrs' Day is celebrated only to pay tribute to these heroes. How was the revolution angry? When Simon Commission came to India in 1928, Lala Lajpat Rai was the president of the Congress party at that time and he strongly opposed the Simon Commission. Lala ji was addressing a rally in protest against the Simon Commission in Lahore. The British government then charged lathi on that rally. Lala Lajpat Rai suffered serious injuries during the lathi charge and Lala ji died about 3 weeks after the incident. Lala Lajpat Rai ji told the British that every stick lying on my body will act as one nail in the coffin of the British government. This thing also proved to be true. After Lala ji's heaven, there was anger across the country and a new revolution was born and Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev and other revolutionaries got angry and changed Lala ji's death. Decided to take. About a month after the death of Lala ji, on 17 December 1928, Sardar Bhagat Singh was shot dead by British police officer Sanders. From that time, the British government, Sardar Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad were sensed and wanted to catch them soon. On 8 April 1929, Bhagat Singh, led by Chandrasekhar Azad, threw a bomb in Central Assembly. Unfortunately, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt were caught and sentenced to life imprisonment. While in jail, a case of Lahore conspiracy was also run on Bhagat Singh. Meanwhile, Chandrasekhar Azad's most trusted revolutionary, Rajguru, was also arrested. The court was prosecuted and Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were sentenced to death. Hanged a day before. These three revolutionaries were to be hanged on 24th March 1931. But the British government feared that the people of the country did not come down and protest. So they hanged Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru at around 7 p.m. on 23rd March 1931. The bodies of all these were not given to the people of his family and they were cremated at night on the banks of the Sutlej River. Sardar Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru kissed the gallows while laughing. These revolutionaries could have avoided hanging, but they hoped that their sacrifice would make a revolution in the people of the country and the people of India would uproot the British government. The same thing happened. After hanging Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru, the public's anger erupted. The movement for independence across the country became further intensified and a big revolution emerged. Today Sardar Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru are not among us but they are still alive in our hearts. The revolution that they sacrificed by those people always have to keep that revolution in our hearts. Everyone is requested to remember the brave revolutionaries of India once on 23rd March i.e. the day of Martyrs' Day and pay tribute to them and try to bring their thoughts into your life. With this, I stop my pen. Jai Hind. Victory to India.